In the name of Allah, the most merciful and the most beneficent. Hello everyone, welcome to Mathematics Basic to Advanced level. In this lecture, I will solve AJK PSC 2019 MCQs, that is e power pi divided by 2 iota is equal to. Solution. Definition: complex exponential function. The function e power z, where z is equal to x plus iota y, defined by e power z is equal to e power x into cos y plus iota sin y, is called a complex exponential function. For example, e power pi over 2 iota is equal to, so real part, that is x is equal to 0, and imaginary part is equal to pi over 2. So e power 0 into cos pi over 2 plus iota sin pi over 2. So 0 exponent is equal to 1 into cos pi over 2, value is equal to 0, plus sin pi over 2, value is equal to 1. 1 dot iota is equal to iota, so which is equal to iota. Option B is correct. If you like my lecture, then please subscribe, share, like and press bell icon for latest update on my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching my YouTube lecture. Okay, Allah Hafiz.